Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you are a new viewer, then go to my channel and watch all these videos. And if you have not yet watched this video, intraday trick Renko, which I posted 3 days back, then go watch this combo video so that you don't miss that intraday trick. And also do paper trading and live trading with it. It's just for practice only, educational purpose only, and for the ones who are not yet seen or don't know about beta, why it is used in intraday trading, then you can look at this particular video which I posted just 2 days back. So anyways, for the ones who want additional services, you can always WhatsApp our customer care team 7892652481, or else watch our website smarttrader.co. For the ones who open an account through us in Zerodha or in Upstock, the link is given in the below description of the video. So if you open an account, you'll be part of my Telegram channel for learning and bonding lifetime for free. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. So today we are going to discuss about how to exit your holdings or positions. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the logic behind these orders and how it is. And a lot of people, the reason I'm doing this particular video is because a lot of beginners get this confusion and they come up to my customer care team and ask, sir, my holdings is not exiting, and they have a lot of confusion. So I find, looking at the trend, I thought I'll make a video because a lot of people do not know this basic one, and a lot of beginners who have not yet done positional trading or exiting their holdings may come up to this confusion. So to avoid those things, I decided I'll make this video so that most of the beginners or the ones who get confused with this topic is clear about this topic. So kindly share this video with all the beginners in your groups so that they don't get confused or get trapped in the same situation like how you were. So this is mainly about how we exit your holdings and positions. So you buy a particular stock and you sell on the same day. It's going to be intraday trading, right? So you buy and sell on the same day. So it is going to be intraday trading, done and dusted. You have seen my live trading videos. You know how it is. Now buy and hold for 1 day or more is your holding or positional trade. So you buy the stock, but you're not selling on the same day. You're holding it for one more day or 1 week, 2 week, 1 year. So it's going to become your holdings or positional trade, whatever you call it, but you're holding it more than 1 day. So it will be in your holding part, your portfolio. So how do you exit that? The reason I'm doing this video is because there is a confusion here, which many of them will go through. So I will give an example and teach you the scenario so that you don't miss it. I'm not going to use any particular broker here because a lot of people are using different brokers. So I will make an example situation and show you. So example, on day one, you're buying a CNC order. When I say CNC order, cash and carry order, with your own money you're buying, considering we're going to hold this stock for a few days. So buying on a CNC order, I buy 1,000 shares of ABC company at 100 rupees. So this is your daily position, or whichever screen you look at on a daily basis when you buy a stock, buy and sell a stock for intraday, for example, you see a position, right, where you buy stocks. So this is a daily position screen where stock name 1,000 shares, okay, quantity, average price I have taken at 100 rupees, okay. So and LTP is nothing but last traded price or the market price, current market price, okay. So this will be fluctuating. So I just kept 100 rupees considering I just took now. So currently my profit and loss is 0. There is no profit, there is no loss. So what I will do, I took this particular thing. I'm not selling it on the same day, not an intraday. I'm going to hold it. Okay, so I'm going to hold it for 2 days or 10 days so that I can book some profit. Then I will wait for 2 days and 10 days like this. So what will happen? The stock would have gone to 105 rupees. So 5% it has gone up. So I'm going to book a profit for 105 rupees. So CNC order, exit 1,000 shares of ABC at 105 rupees. So this is a holding screen. So this was a position screen. After 1 day, it will go to your holding screen. This is your portfolio because you're holding this particular shares. It's a delivery trade from now on. So your 1,000 shares is here. The average price which you took was 100 rupees. Now the current market price after day 2 or day 10, whatever it is, assumption, it is 105 rupees, 5% up, and 5,000 rupees is my profit. So what I will do, I will go and exit this particular trade. Now when you exit this particular trade, it will a sell trade will come and fall in your positions. Okay. So on the same day when you sell it or exit it, CNC orders sell 1,000 shares of ABC at 105 rupees will be executed. So the average price at which you sold is 105 rupees now. Okay, and the stock is so and so 1,000 shares. Whatever you bought, you're selling the shares. So this is a sell order which will come and fall in your positions. Now a lot of people get confused because when you sell at 105 rupees, example, the current price goes to 106 because price keeps changing, it is not stagnant throughout the day. So 505 you sold, sell order, but price went to 106. So your portfolio will show you 1000 rupees loss. Now lot of people get panicked here, thinking that I sold my position. Why am I getting 1000 rupees loss in intraday? I didn't do intraday. So many questions come up to you guys. So please do not worry. So if you have already sold your position or holding at 105 rupees, leave this for end of the day. Okay, end of the day the CNC order will be considered to sell your positions which you are holding previously. This holding will be sold only if you wait for the end of the day after putting the order. Once it is executed, when it is done, it is sold already, don't break your head for this LTP. This will be changing as per the market value. This number will be changing as per that. So don't consider this, because you have already sold, and after the market closes you already have shares in your demat account. The holdings will be having 1000 shares. So this 1000 shares will become equal net off, and automatically your portfolio will be cleared with that 5000 rupees into your bucket. Brokerage is another story, but I'm just telling you as an example. Okay, so few people get scared of this 1000 rupees, thinking that this 1000 rupees is a loss for me, and few people, what they do, they go immediately exit this. Automatically there will be a buy order. What will happen? These two trade will become intraday trade. You booked the 1000 rupees loss, your holding will be a holding only, so nothing would have been affected your holding. So a lot of people say the same story, that I am trying to exit my holdings and it is coming to intraday. There is a glitch. That is not a glitch. This is a normal procedure which happens in the stock market. Initially, even 2 years, 3 years back, when I went to try my positional trading, so when I exited, when I came up with the same scenario, like why is it happening, and I immediately bought it, again sold it, bought it and sold it. I was fully confused. Then I called the customer care and they told me this is how it works. That is when I thought, oh, how silly it is. I used to do intraday so much, and this was something which I didn't know. So now when a lot of people are asking me, I used to feel what these guys do not understand this also. But I felt as a beginner, a lot of people will not be knowing this particular story, which happened to me also initially when I did this holding, exiting my holding. So there are a lot of beginners who have yet to come into this picture, who are doing intraday and who have not yet done positional. So if you come across such situation, don't panic. That's the reason I've done this video. So share this video with all your friends who have not yet done positional trading, who's not aware of it also, who are just going to start also. So kindly share this video. Hope this was an add-on to your knowledge. Hope this helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that subscribe, like and share this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.